Hey there! Have you ever watched a tiny creature carry its entire home on its back, wandering across sandy shores and rocky tide pools as if the whole ocean belongs to it? There is something truly magical about witnessing one of the most resourceful animals on the planet go about its daily life. And today, we are diving into the world of the hermit crab. Before we begin, if you enjoy learning about extraordinary creatures, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss another adventure. Now, let us step into the incredible universe of these shell-dwelling wanderers. The hermit crab is one of those animals that seems almost too clever for its size. Despite its common name, it is not a true crab in the strictest sense. It belongs to the superfamily Paguroidea, a group of decapod crustaceans that have evolved a lifestyle unlike most of their relatives. While true crabs have a hard, calcified exoskeleton covering their entire body, the hermit crab has a soft, vulnerable abdomen that it must protect by inhabiting the empty shells of other creatures, most commonly sea snails. This behavior is not just a quirky habit, it is a brilliant survival strategy crafted by the Almighty, ensuring that even the most delicate of creatures can thrive in a world full of dangers. There are over 800 known species of hermit crabs spread across the world, and they come in a stunning variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. Some are no larger than a small coin, while others, like the coconut crab, can grow to astonishing sizes with a leg span stretching over 3 feet. They inhabit a wide range of environments, from the deepest ocean floors to tropical beaches and even inland forests. Some species are fully aquatic, spending their lives submerged in saltwater, while others are terrestrial, venturing onto land and breathing through modified gills that extract moisture from humid air. This diversity is a testament to the genius of the masterful designer who equipped each species with the precise tools it needs to flourish in its particular corner of the world. One of the most captivating aspects of the hermit crab is its relationship with shells. Unlike snails, which grow their own shells, hermit crabs must find and claim shells left behind by other animals. As a hermit crab grows, it outgrows its current shell and must seek a larger one. This process is both fascinating and surprisingly social. In certain species, hermit crabs form what are called vacancy chains. When a large, empty shell appears, hermit crabs of various sizes line up from largest to smallest. The biggest crab moves into the new shell, leaving its old one for the next in line, and so on down the chain. Each crab upgrades to a slightly larger home in a beautifully coordinated exchange that looks like a choreographed dance. It is a stunning example of wisdom woven into their instincts by the all-knowing creator, guiding them to cooperate in ways that benefit the entire group. The body of a hermit crab is a marvel of specialized design. Its front half is protected by a tough exoskeleton, complete with 2 pairs of antennae, a pair of claws, and several walking legs. The larger claw, often noticeably bigger than the other, serves multiple purposes. It acts as a shield, blocking the entrance of the shell when the crab retreats inside. It is also used for gripping food, defending territory, and communicating with other hermit crabs through tapping and waving gestures. The smaller claw is used for more delicate tasks, such as feeding and grooming. Meanwhile, the soft, curved abdomen is perfectly shaped to coil inside a snail shell, gripping the interior walls with specialized appendages called Uropods. This precise fit between the crab and its borrowed shell is extraordinary, a reflection of the divine maker's attention to the smallest details of creation. Hermit crabs are omnivores with a remarkably varied diet. They are essentially the cleanup crew of their ecosystems, feeding on algae, plankton, fallen fruit, decaying organic matter, and even small invertebrates. Their role as scavengers makes them so important for the health of the environments they inhabit. By consuming decomposing material, they help recycle nutrients back into the soil and water, keeping their habitats clean and balanced. In this way, every hermit crab, no matter how small, plays a vital role in the grand tapestry of life the Creator has laid out across the earth and its oceans. The senses of a hermit crab are finely tuned for survival. Their long, slender antennae are highly sensitive to touch and chemical signals, allowing them to detect food, sense danger, and navigate their surroundings even in darkness. Their eyes, perched on stalks that move independently, give them a wide field of vision, helping them spot approaching predators from almost any direction. While their eyesight is not as sharp as many other animals, it is perfectly suited to their needs, detecting movement and changes in light that alert them to threats. The Supreme Maker has granted these creatures a sensory toolkit precisely calibrated for the challenges they face. One of the most endearing qualities of hermit crabs is their social nature. Contrary to what their name might suggest, hermit crabs are not solitary loners. Many species are highly gregarious and prefer to live in groups, sometimes numbering in the hundreds or thousands. They sleep huddled together, forage in the same areas, and communicate through chirping sounds produced by rubbing parts of their body against their shells. These social interactions serve important purposes, such as establishing hierarchies, signaling the availability of shells, and warning others of danger. The intricate social lives of hermit crabs reveal a level of complexity that is truly humbling, a reminder of the boundless creativity of the originator, who designed even the smallest communities of creatures with care. The molting process is another extraordinary chapter in the life of a hermit crab. Like all crustaceans, hermit crabs must periodically shed their exoskeleton in order to grow. This is a vulnerable and energy-intensive process that can take several weeks from start to finish. Before molting, a hermit crab will often bury itself in sand or substrate to protect itself from predators during the process. It then slowly wriggles out of its old exoskeleton, emerging soft and pale. During this time, the crab is extremely fragile and must remain hidden until its new exoskeleton hardens. Remarkably, many hermit crabs will eat their shed exoskeleton to reclaim the valuable calcium and minerals it contains, wasting nothing. This efficient recycling of resources speaks to the perfect economy of design by the all-wise Creator, who ensures that nothing in creation goes to waste. Hermit crabs also engage in some truly remarkable symbiotic relationships with other marine organisms. Certain species of hermit crabs deliberately place sea anemones on their shells. The anemone benefits by gaining mobility and access to scraps of food dropped by the crab, while the crab benefits from the anemone's stinging tentacles, which deter predators from attacking. When a hermit crab switches to a new shell, it will often carefully peel the anemone off the old shell and transfer it to the new one, maintaining this mutually beneficial partnership. This behavior is not taught. It is instinctive. A beautiful example of how the fashioner has interwoven the lives of different creatures in relationships of harmony and mutual support. The lifespan of a hermit crab can be surprisingly long when conditions are favorable. While many wild hermit crabs live for around 10 to 15 years, some individuals in well-maintained environments have been known to live for several decades. Their longevity depends heavily on access to suitable shells, a proper diet, adequate humidity for terrestrial species, and the absence of undue stress. These resilient little creatures have been walking the earth and swimming the seas for millions of years, their fossil record stretching back deep into prehistoric times. They are living proof of the enduring brilliance of the ultimate Creator's designs. Creatures that have persisted and adapted through countless ages because they were built with timeless ingenuity. Despite their resilience, hermit crabs face significant challenges in the modern world. Habitat destruction, pollution, and the commercial harvesting of shells all threaten their populations. On many beaches, the collection of seashells for decoration and tourism has left hermit crabs with fewer homes to choose from, forcing them to use discarded bottle caps, broken glass, and plastic debris as makeshift shelters. This is a heartbreaking sight, and a stark reminder of the impact human activity can have on even the most adaptable creatures. Protecting coastal and marine environments is not just about preserving scenic landscapes. It is about safeguarding the intricate web of life that the Lord has entrusted to our care. As we come to the end of this journey into the world of the hermit crab, I hope you have gained a deeper appreciation for these remarkable animals. They may be small, but their lives are filled with ingenuity, cooperation, and resilience that can truly inspire us. Every shell they carry, every social exchange they share, and every environment they adapt to tells a story of divine providence at work, crafting a world of astonishing detail and beauty. If you enjoyed this exploration, please take a moment to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel so you can join us on future adventures, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or experiences with hermit crabs. Your support means the world, and together, we can keep celebrating the wonders of the incredible creatures that walk, crawl, and swim alongside us on this beautiful planet. Until next time, take care and never stop exploring.